Hey guys, what's going on? Code Power with you here, and we're going to continue building this our project proposal. And today, in today's video, we're going to create this about us section. So let's get started. Okay. So. Okay, create a new page like this, and okay, there's something wrong. I'm going to match this up. Okay, and duplicate this header and then bring it to the next page. Okay, like this. Change this number from 2 to 3, and okay, it looks good. Okay, I need this title, so Ctrl C, Ctrl V to duplicate it and bring it to the next page. Okay, put it here, looks good. Okay, about our agency, and capitalize everything. Looks fine. Create another copy, and we're going to put a text right here, a long text, like change the font size to 16 perhaps, and use a regular Sierra, perhaps 14. Yes, and change the paragraph spacing like 0. Not working. 0.1 perhaps. Okay, something looks good. And not really good. Okay, so I have to take this text and put it right here. It looks good. I like it. I have just to justify it. So now it looks oh no, it's not really good. Perhaps like this. No, I have just to down the size, and okay, looks good. Perhaps add more text. Yes, looks really nice. Perhaps like this. Yes, I like this. It looks very clean. Okay, so now I have to take this text zone. Okay, bring it down and make another copy of it. I'm going to place it right here, like this, and push it to the right a bit, and make some text, some hard facts. It looks good, and perhaps I don't know what I'm going to do, but I want to decrease the fill. No, not the fill. No fill. I just forgot how I did that. Where is the transparency of this thing? I don't know. text fill, no, not this one. Shadow, reflection, glow, this one perhaps. This text option, yes, there is the transparency. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. It's really good. Okay, it looks good, right? I like it. I really like it. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this text again, and like this, and perhaps choose a 13, like oh no, like 60, no, it looks a bit smaller. 80, yes, I like this, and choose golden color, and bring down the opacity a bit, like this, and put it right here, and choose to put it or push it to the back. Yes, it looks good, it looks really good. Okay, perhaps choose this to the center. I think okay, I'm going to push this to the back again. Okay, and choose, so I can choose this text, and I'm going to bring the size up to this number. I think it's good. Okay, I think it's good, and bring this text or this text field to the back again, and okay, it looks good, it looks really good. Okay, everything looks good. Okay. And perhaps push this to the back, and push also this a little bit to the right. Okay, it looks really good. Now I'm going to create a line. I'm going to insert a line from here to perhaps right here, and choose a dark color, and perhaps bring the shape a bit, give it some weight, like this, like this one, and center it. Okay, we have something. So now I have to use some text. I'm going to duplicate this one and put some text, like name, perhaps name, and duplicate this again and push them to the back, and change this like God Power Corp. It looks good, and change the font to this one, and the sizing to 14 perhaps, and group them together. Okay, looks good. Another copy, bring this thing to the bottom a bit, and change the text like founded. Okay, founded 2009. Yes, create another text, bring it to the back, and like other stuff. I'll let you guess. Like I have 300 people that are working for me. It's not really the truth, but one day I hope. Okay, so now we're going to create the second part of it. I'm going to take this number and duplicate it, and bring it to the bottom, like this. And change the text to the number 2. It looks good. Okay, and bring this text and create a copy and change the text to I don't know, like I don't know what I'm going to put. Services, like it's, I think it's good like this. Service breakdown, I don't know if it's correct. Okay, so I'm going to change a bit the text. I'm going to change the orientation of it, like I don't know, I have absolutely no idea if this thing is correct, like this perhaps. Yes, it looks good, it looks nice, it looks really nice. I'm going to keep it. It looks really nice. I'm going to position this text right here. Okay, it looks really good. I like it actually. I'm doing a really good job right here. Okay, and now I'm going to add another line. Check this one, create another copy, push it to the back and select it, right click and bring the more option dialog, and in the rotation box I'm going to fill with the 90, like this one, just to make a divider. Okay, and push it right here perhaps. Okay, and okay, so far so good. Everything is really nice. Now I'm going to create the services that the CodePower Corporation are offering. Okay, I'm going to create like a box right here, a box. Like I'm going to create just 2 ones, but you can add 2 or 3 as you wish. No outline. And for the fill color we're going to choose a light gray color. It's really cool. And right here I have some shapes that are vector. So if you select them, you can go here and change the color as you want, like you see, as you want. I'm just going to keep up with this color, bring the size a bit down, like this one, and push it to the right. It looks really good. To the right, or perhaps to the left if you want. And now I'm going to from this field I'm going to choose this one, create Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I have to push the title like this. I create like graphic graphic design, and bring perhaps the size like 10, just to have a nice title, It's really cool. Perhaps I'm going to choose to align it to the center. It looks nice. Perhaps this one we're going to put in the center. Okay, it looks good, really good. So far so good. And now I'm going to choose perhaps a text. So I'm going to duplicate this text zone, bring it to the bottom, and perhaps I'm going to put alignment to the left, and resize this text zone, or this text box. Okay, it looks a little weird, so I'm going to put the size like 8, like 8, or perhaps it's a bit extreme, like 9, okay. Okay, it looks so far so good. It's really nice. It's really nice, and we're going to put some design elements. I'm going to choose to bring perhaps these arrows. Control C, bring the zoom down, and select this one, and Control V. Okay, group them perhaps, and I don't know, make some rotation, like I don't know the rotation thing, minus 90 degree. I don't know if it works. It works. It's nice, really good. And bring this arrow like this, and bring the size a bit down. Okay, looks good. And change perhaps the fill color to this one. Now I'm going to group all this box like this one, and choose this one. Note that I'm using the shift key to select everything and group all these elements together. Then we have a nice box. We're going to create a copy of this one, and as you see, align this thing together, and perhaps I don't know, you have to do your work. Choose perhaps this logo. I have to delete this one. I got a nice logo. I'm going to delete this icon and bring the new icon right here. Bring the size a bit down, like perhaps, okay, it looks good. And like change the title, like creative ideas. I don't know. So far so good. It looks right good. So everyone, this is everything for this tutorial. We've created the about our agency section. Okay, so okay, we're good. So everyone, please give this video a thumbs up so I can make new videos. And for the end of this tutorial series, I'm going to provide this project for free. So please support me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.